Is the PlayStation Store refusing to load on your PS5? You're not alone. And luckily, the fix is easier than you think. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In today's video, we will show you how to fix the issue when the PlayStation Store won't load on your PS5, so you can get back to browsing and buying games in no time. Method 1. Check PlayStation Network status. When you are having issues loading PlayStation Store, check the PSN status. If the PSN server is down, then also you can get such issues. To do that, visit the PlayStation Network status page. Confirm if PSN services are active and not undergoing maintenance. If the server is under maintenance, wait for some time till the server is up and live again. Method 2. Test your internet connection. You can also test if you have a stable internet connection. To do that, open PS5 settings. Then head to the network page. Now select Test Internet Connection. You can start test and check the connection speed. You can also connect your service provider for help. Method 3. Forget the network and re-add it. Open your PS5 settings, select Network, then go to Settings under the Network section. Choose Set up Internet Connection. Select your connected network and choose the Forget option. Wait for a few minutes before reconnecting. You will need to enter your network password again. Follow these steps to reconnect. You can also restart the router or modem and check if that helps. Method 4. Update system software. Next, you should ensure that the PS5 is up to date. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings. Go to System, then from the System Software section, select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest update file. Wait till you get the confirmation message. Once done, check if this could resolve the issue. Method 5. Sign out and sign back in. To do that, go to Settings, then select Users and Accounts. Scroll down to Other, then select Sign Out. Sign back in using your PlayStation Network account and then try accessing the PlayStation Store again. Method 6. Power cycle your console and network. Press the PS5 console and turn off your PS5 completely. Unplug the power cable from your modem or router. Wait 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in. Turn your PS5 back on and test the PlayStation Store. And that's how you fix it when the PlayStation Store isn't loading on your PS5. We hope one of these methods did the trick and got your store working again. If this video helped, smash that like button, subscribe to Silicophilic and hit the bell so you never miss a tech fix. Leave a comment letting us know which solution worked for you. Your input might help someone else. Thanks for watching and we will catch you in the next one.